Welcome back to the channel everyone. So in today's video I'm going to explain you about operators in Java. So first of all, what is operator? So an operator takes operands and produce the result. In simple words, operand means variable. So here we have discussed some more important operators. So basically we have five types of operator: arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment and conditional. The first is arithmetic operator. So we have the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo, increment and decrement. So these first five operators are same as we use in maths to solve the equation. It works same in Java also. Okay. The important one is these last two. This plus plus is known as increment operator. It means it increments the value of variable by 1, and this minus minus means decrement operator. It decrements the value of variable by 1. So next is comparison operator. So comparison operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, sorry, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to. So you can read the description to get the idea about comparison operator. Then we have logical operator here. Now these logical operators are very important in conditional statements like if else statement. Now it is used when we have more than one condition to check parallelly. At that time we can use this logical operators, guys. So we have basically three logical operators: and, or, and not. And is denoted by double this and or is denoted by this pipeline, and not is denoted by exclamation. Okay. So and means if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. It means, for example, you have three conditions. Now if you have written and between these conditions, it means in order to perform the task, your all three condition must be true in order to perform the task. It simply means that. And or means if any one operand are true, then condition becomes true. Okay, it is not required that all the condition must be true. If any one of them are true, then your task will be executed, and then not means it reverses the condition. Okay. Then we have assignment operators here. We have basically equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and not equals to assignment operators. So let me explain this operator first, which is plus equals to. Now what plus equal to does? So see an example. I have written b plus equals to a. Now what is means that it means it performs the addition of two variables, which is d and a, because we specify d and a here. It performs the addition of d and a and store the result back to the d. As I have written in description, it adds right side operand to left side operand and assign result to left side operand again. Okay, it means here we have value of d 10 and we have value of a also 10. So it performs the addition, which is 20, and it stores this 20 again into d. Okay, so here the answer is 20. So you can so other operators works in same way. You can read the description to get the more idea. Then we have conditional operator. It is also known as ternary operator. So what it does, it first evaluates the expression for get the value true or false, and based on the value it executes the statement. Now how it works, we have to specify our expression before this question mark, and if the value of expression is true, then then the first statement is executed, which is before this colon, and if the condition gets false, then the second statement gets executed, which is written after this colon. Okay, so that's how conditional operator works, guys. So let me quickly give you an example of arithmetic operators set, so that you can have idea. Okay, so first I have written class here, which is operator. Then I have written main method. Then I use two variables, which is a and b, to demonstrate the use of arithmetic operators. I have assigned 10 in a and 20 in b, and then I have simply print the message, which is addition, and also I have concatenated the value because I have specified plus here. It means it concatenates the value with the string. So I have written here, and within the brackets I have written a plus b. So here I use the addition arithmetic operator. So it adds the value of a and b, and it concatenates the result with this string. So in the same way, the subtraction performs, multiplication, division, and modulo performs. Modulo means reminder. Okay, so Let me run this program. Okay, so as you can see, it first print the addition and then it concatenates the result value, which is 30 in this case, because 20 plus 10 is 30. In the same way, other arithmetic operations are performed. So this is all about operator, guys. You can try other operators in your own, and I will also provide the link of this operator, or I will also provide material of this operator, so that you guys can have more idea on operators. So yeah, that's all for this video. So if you do like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe to our channel, guys. So stay tuned.